everybody, Johnny here. Just a quick update for everybody. I've got some things on order so I can help make my videos a little bit better. I've got some lighting and a microphone and some of those other things that I need so that I can get better. I've been putting off a few of the better projects that I'd like to do, waiting until I can get better at making videos. So hopefully with this stuff that's coming in, I can get a little bit better and start showing you guys some of the fun stuff that I've got. You guys have already seen the 72 Chevy pickup that I've been working on. The other project that I've got over here is my 1940 Ford sedan, my two-door sedan with a 55 272 Y-block. 3-speed overdrive trans. You can see the suspension is all powder coated and ready to go under it. It's going to be a old school traditional style hot rod, 50s style, and I'm kind of waiting on shooting any video for that until I can get better at doing videos so I can document it better. But that's all coming up probably in the next few weeks. Hopefully I can get something cut together and edited for next week. We'll see. I've got kind of a bum wrist right now, so working around that. We'll see what happens in the future, and hopefully we can get the channel to grow a little bit and get some cool content made. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is down below. We've also got some stuff for sale that'll help go towards buying parts and buying camera equipment and stuff like that. That's on the link in the description for Teespring. So yeah, hope to see more of you guys around here, and comment, subscribe, like, share, do whatever you want to do. So yeah, it'll be good to see how everything goes in the future. So see you guys then.